Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're visiting with Sherri Brown. She's the Warren and Edmonson County Executive Director for Farm Service Agency. Good morning, Sherri.
Good morning, Joanna.
Well, I'm glad you're here today because we're going to talk about one of the many programs that you guys offer at Farm Service Agency, and that's the Farm Storage Loan Program.
Yes.
And you know, here we've had two really high production years here in South Central Kentucky, and people are really looking for extra farm storage.
Yes, they are. I've had a increase in my farm storage facility loan programs. FSFL is an acronym that we use, but yes, we've had great interest in it this year. They can do things like corn cribs, bins. We can do certain kind of vehicles. There's a caveat to that. I won't get into everything on that. We do hay barns.
Oh, okay.
Hay storage
Because when most people think of that, they think of grain.
Yes.
But, you know, hay, I think, is fruit and vegetable, do they have some type of storage loan for that as well?
There's some cold storage, yes. We're not as familiar with that around here, but yes, that's something we could get into if someone was interested.
So what would somebody need? Somebody watching at home saying, I need more farm storage. What do they have to do to qualify?
Well, what we do is we take a crop report for 3 years, and we multiply their number of acres of that crop times the county yield and make sure there is a need for this storage. See if there's any eligible existing storage on the farm already. Then we have to do financials, which the farm loan team will handle that. There's a $100 non-refundable fee. It's a pretty simple process, even though it kind of can be lengthy. They kind of feel it's lengthy at times, but it's fairly simple and straightforward. Okay,
and is there a deadline or a certain time frame people have to sign up?
No, there's not on this. This runs a year-round program. They will bring us, after we do financials, they'll give us their bids. They'll go and get bids for what they want done. We'll go visit the property, make sure there's no environmental needs out there, and then we get the ball rolling that way. And then after they get approval, then they can start with ground clearance, that kind of thing.
Okay, so it is a little bit of a process. So if people are interested in it, they need to probably go ahead and contact you now.
Yes, ma'am, sure do. Because we give them 6 months. After approval, we give them 6 months to get the bin built or the barn, whatever they're doing. We give them 6 months. We've run into a few times. It's gone a little bit over, but with
Kentucky weather sometimes just doesn't cooperate.
You are exactly right on that. Yes.
Now, is there a limit or is there an amount that you can get through this program?
Yes, each loan can be a maximum of $500,000.
Oh.
So if it's a bigger project, we may have to break it up into 2 or 3 or 4 loans. But each loan is $500,000. There's not a minimum, but there is another little thing called a micro loan. That if they want something less than $50,000, then they only have to do 5% down. Instead of if it's over $50,000, then they have to do 15% down.
Okay, but still, that's still a really nice deal.
Yes, ma'am. It's a low interest loan to help these producers with their storage.
And I think the micro loan might be where I've heard some people about vegetable storage and things like that.
Yeah.
But there are options, and so the best thing to do would probably just to be contact your office, or is there a website that you would direct them to?
They could probably do fsa.gov, but yeah, just call our office, give us a call, let us kind of see what your needs are.
And you guys can kind of help them walk through the process,
the whole process. Correct. Yes.
Kind of hold their hand and walk through it. Because sometimes when you get on websites, sometimes it's hard to understand the language.
Yes. It will lead you down one rabbit hole after another, yes.
And so they can give you a call at, what's your number again?
270-843-1111, and we are extension 2.
Okay.
We're located at 925 Lovers Lane.
Okay, so people can either stop by and see you guys or give you a call. Now, you mentioned a little bit ago about the grain bins. Are there other commodities that, and hay barns?
Right. I mean, we do things like corn, grain sorghum, rice, soybeans. We don't handle peanuts around here. Wheat, barley, triticale, hay. We do conventional cribs, bins, hay barns. your grain handling and your drying.
Even the drying equipment.
Drying equipment, right.
So that's a lot of stuff. So best thing to do is contact your local FSA office and find out more information. Thanks, Sherri, and thanks for watching. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.